Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Govinda Rathod and I am from Kafparet Kulaba, Ambedkar Nagar. Whenever people heard about Kafparet Kulaba, all the big building comes in mind. A building like World Trade Center, Mecca Tower, Jolly Maker, all the big buildings. Behind those buildings, there is a slum area called Ambedkar Nagar. I am from there. I grown up there. I brought up there. Yeah, still I'm living there only. I'm from very poor and conservative family. We had a lot of debt on my family. I have a three elder brothers. They all got married in very early age, and they all have two children each. They all call me uncle. So yeah, to repay my family debt, we had to move from a different place, and due to that, I had to drop out from school. And after dropouting from school, I started working in a small hotel, roadside canteen. I used to serve vada pav, samosa pav, uh, chai, and also used to wash plates and glasses. After doing 13 hours day in a work in a day, I used to get 600 rupees per month. The whatever amount I used to get from my work, I used to hand it over to my family. So and like this, I supporting my family. Sometime my family they used to come late from their work. They are a fisherman. I used to cook for them. I used to wash all the plates and also used to wash everyone clothes. I'm a good cook though. Like this, I spend my time and fortunately I discovered Oscar Foundation in 2006 when I met Ashok Rathod, the founder and director of Oscar Foundation, and I started playing football because I came to visit my friends, old friends, and there I met Ashok Rathod, and he told me to join Oscar. The moment I kick the ball, I forget all my family issues. I was totally addicted into football, and I don't wanted to leave football anymore. After a few time, Oscar introduced one rule that if you want to play football, if you want to associate with us, you have to go to school. That was very difficult for me because to sit in the same class with younger kids and my friend who were with me before, they might have upgraded to different class. But I don't wanted to leave football, so I had to join school. It was very difficult for me to cope up with the education again, but somehow I started. In 2010, I got the opportunity to travel different city and where I learn about young how to work with the children with different age group. And when I came back from there, I started teaching them. After joining school, it was very difficult for me to look after my expenses, to look after my school fees, to look after my uniform, my books, and my daily expenses. So after school time, I used to sell magazine and midday newspaper on traffic signals every day. And also in the evening, I used to go in the buildings to wash washrooms, bathroom, and toilets. So the amount, whatever I used to earn from there, I started using for my education because I knew my parents are not able to support me. So I never asked any money from them. So yeah, and in when I turned 17, my family forced me to get married because they already chosen a girl for me. Um, but I learned from Oscar that child marriage is not good, and I also learned decision making through football in Oscar. So I made a decision that I don't want to get married, and I fought with my parents. That was very difficult time for me because my parents they stopped talking to me, and they started saying that we are ashamed that you are a part of our family. But I stood on my decision and I denied to get married in early age. Uh, the the life is changed. Fortunately, when my story is covered in famous Indian TV show called Aaj Ki Ratein Zindagi with Amitabh Bachchan, where I shared my story, and my parents uh, saw that episode, and they all like it. And from that time, they started believing in my work and also believing in me. Now they don't force me to marry and all that. And in 2014, uh, like this, my journey was going on. And in 2010, I passed my 10th standard with 74 percentage. Um, and then I thought that I wanted to be an engineer, and I took science in 11th standard. Uh, I got good percentage in 11th standard too. I got 60 percentage. But then I realized that I'm facing a lot of issue, a financial issue, and then I changed to commerce stream. I had to leave science, and in 2014, I got a chance to travel Brazil to attend youth leadership, to attend the Future Goal Forum by Street Football World. Street Football World is a Berlin-based international organization which is work more than 90 countries in the world. They use a football three methodology to aware people about fair play, gender equality, and equal participation. So I was there in 2014 during FIFA World Cup, and I from there I learned about importance of education, how to deliver life skills through football, and I made good friends from all over the world. Whatever I learned from this trip, I started implementing with my community people. And the same year, in 2014, I got a chance to travel South Korea to attend youth leadership program organized by United Nations. It was a 12 days program. In that program, I learned how to work with the children from different disabilities. That's something I really wanted to do. And after came from South Korea, I shared with Ashok sir that can we have this program in Oscar. He never said no to me, and he said yes. But it took 4 years time to start that project. And finally, in 2018, we launched Enabling Change project for children with disabilities. In 2014, same year, I got a chance to travel Vietnam to attend Adidas Football Exchange Program, United organized by again Street Football World, and I was there for 5 days, and I learned how to work with a different age group of children. So whatever I learned from all these international trainings, I started implementing in Oscar. In 2018, when we launched our Enabling Change project, I was very happy. I can say that I was on top of the world because we finally my dream come true to work with these children, and we are working with the 120 children who are autistic, slow learner, hearing impaired, speech impaired, and visually impaired. We train them basic football and same life skills through football. These children never get chance to come out of their house to kick the ball, and they rarely get an access to play any sports. So we are trying to teach them as much as we can, and we are trying to make them fun on and off the field. Yeah, and during lockdown, they were finding very difficulties to play any sports. So I took an initiative to organize online session for them. So every Monday, I used to conduct physical fitness session. Every Wednesday, one of my friend from Bangalore, I convinced him to conduct a Zumba session. He's Benny. He's very good Zumba trainer. So we started Zumba, and every Friday Vipassana session. So like this, we engage them during lockdown. Uh, After my graduation, I wanted to do a sports management course because my community people, especially youth, they started looking me as a role model. They started following me. So I thought if I stop my learning, so my followers might get stop. So I don't wanted to stop, and I wanted to study further. But I found that it's very expensive in Mumbai to do sports management course. In 2017, I got to know about the scholarship by international trainer course, Leipzig University in Germany. For that, I had to give two interviews. My first interview was in the same building where I used to wash bathroom and toilets. I know it's a coincidence, but it's fact. So I gave my interview and I got selected, and I was there in Germany for 6 months. During my stay in Germany, I also did my 1 month learning internship with the Street Football World Berlin, Football Pro Rose was in Czech Republic, Right to Dream in Denmark. Apart from this, I also traveled um, uh, three different countries in Europe. So like this, I have traveled 7 countries in Europe. So yeah, it was a life changing opportunity for me because I learned a lot from this course. After coming from Germany, my expectations got high, and uh, I was I was totally enrolled in enabling change project, and now I'm looking forward to expand this project and want to reach out more number of children. Till now, I have trained more than 600 youths across India. Youths from Maharashtra, Goa, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Bihar. Now my dream is to expand enabling change project, and also want to take our young leader program where work with the youth on international level. I also want to train international youths and want to train them on how to work with the children, how to deliver life skills through football. uh, yeah, and apart from this, I also want to motivate youth, especially from slum area, that nothing is impossible in this world. I have completed my school from Kannada medium, but now, front of you, I am able to speak English only because of sports, and only because of sports. So, sports has a power to change the world, and it's changing. And it yeah, sports is a universal language. So please play any sports, not only football, any sports, and you will learn a lot of things, and your life will change. So yeah, dream big, work hard to achieve it, and most important, never give up. So thank you, everyone. I especially would like to thank Arvind for recommending my name for this TED Talk. And also thank you, Ashok Rathod sir, for always believing in me. And yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Oscar family.